So on the quiz, instead of submitting a diagram, you're going to uh, write down all the prepositional phrases functioning as adjectives, the prepositional phrases functioning as adverbs, the nominal phrases, and the noun clauses, the nominal clauses. So we'll use this first of all to show what all the phrases are. So if we look at the prepositional phrases, and it often helps to go from right to left. So at first, let's get it this time. At first, that's so ugly. I'm gonna get rid of that. So at first, that is a prepositional phrase. We saw already that it is not connected to anything other than led. It's not coming off any other prepositional phrase. So of mischief, that's a prepositional phrase, and that is inside another prepositional phrase, to all kinds of mischief. So there we have three prepositional phrases after the main verb there, and we have at hand and of some kind, and those are our prepositional phrases. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The ones that are adjectives are of some kind. What kind of help? Help of some kind. At hand, because that's a subjective complement, as we discussed, and of mischief, what kind of mischief? So that's adjectival too. And the adverbial ones are to all kinds of mischief, led where, metaphorically, to all kinds of mischief, and led when, at first. And so you've got two adverbial prepositional phrases. As far as noun phrases go, we've got, so first we could look at our nouns. Where are the nouns? So belief, kind, help, hand, kinds, mischief. First, we would have to consider a noun also, because it's the object of a preposition. So the question is, if any of these nouns have anything hanging off of them, then they are the heads of noun phrases. So if we look at this one again, if we go right to left, so at first has nothing coming off it. That's not the head of a noun phrase. Mischief, there's nothing coming off it. That's not the head of a noun phrase. Kinds does have modifiers, so that is a noun phrase. All kinds of mischief, and it is functioning as the object of the preposition. And hand has nothing coming off it, so that's not a noun, the head of a noun phrase. Kind, help of some kind. Kind has nothing coming off it. But help of some kind, that is a noun phrase, and help is the head of it, and it is the subject of the verb was. Help of some kind was. So that's our second noun phrase. And there's one more, and its head is our last noun, belief. So the belief, that help of some kind was at hand. That noun phrase is the subject of led. So note that the phrase contains a clause within it. That help of some kind was at hand. So you may think of a phrase as a smaller thing than a clause, but that is an oversimplified view of the matter. So a phrase can include a clause. So those are the three noun phrases: all kinds of mischief, object of preposition, help of some kind, the subject of was, the belief that help of some kind was at hand, that is the subject of led, and belief is the head of that. And that leaves one other kind of thing, and that is the noun clause, the nominal clause, and as we've seen before, it's that help of some kind was at hand. And its function in the sentence is an appositive. So that's how you derive all those answers, naming the kinds of phrases and clauses within this sentence.